welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited because we are going to be doing a Halloween-esque type of look. I've always wanted to do that like white smoky eye, like just all white. Oh yes. And I'm hoping to do a little bit of a dark lip. I do have my glitter, my rhinestones off to the side. I don't know if I'll use them, but you know, it's almost like a safety blanket. I have them here on the side just in case. Also, I want to try this Sicily Magic Eyeliner and Eyelash Kit. And I don't know, I find it really interesting because it's supposed to be like an eyeliner that makes your eyelash stick. So no glue, no magnets or anything like that. We shall see how that goes. But if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, my hair was stuck under my boob. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I primed my eyes, and we're going to go ahead and get into this with the Pure X RawBeautyKristi Palette, and I'm literally just going to use the white, which is Lumos, and I felt like I had to use her palette because she also did a all-white look for her launch or her campaign thing, so I was like, yes, need to use this palette. So I'm going in here with just a flat brush. I don't remember where this brush is from. I've had it since I was like 18, but maybe BH Cosmetics, I'm not sure. And I'm just gonna start packing on the white shade. So if you can see, I kind of did my primer a little different. I usually bring it up all the way to my brow, but this time I just took it up to like right here and then kind of like almost blended it out, I guess you can say. So I'm just gonna pack on the shade first, and then we're gonna come in here and blend. I am gonna get just a little bit of the white on my brush, just like that, and then we can always go back in and pack on more of the shade. I just kind of want to get it going. And I'm just doing the best I can to make it look like it's ombreing to like, I don't know, nothing. And then just to be a little nitpicky, I'm going to go in with the Automatic Cosmetics Detail Diffuser brush. And I'm just going to come in here and help the edges diffuse. Just no product or anything. And then I'm just going to clean off my brow to make sure that none of the fallout kind of like puffed up, because you do need a little bit of that contrast, I feel. And then I just kind of want this inner corner to look almost like a cut crease. So I just, as you saw, I grabbed product and kind of like stamped it up like a cut crease. And then I just need to do the best I can to diffuse here. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I finished that up. I cleaned up my sides as well, and I really like it like this. I was going to put a glitter on. I was like, no, we're just going to leave it like this. Maybe at the end we'll do a little something. I'm not sure. But for now, I'm leaving it like this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start applying the rest of my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys just little glimpses. That way you can see what I'm using, because I know that not everybody likes to go to the description. But just to give you a little glimpse of what I'm using, and then we will move on to trying out the Magic Lash Kit. So enjoy. Okay guys, so I zoomed you in. I want to quickly apologize if the lighting is going in like bouncing around, cool, warm, and all this stuff. I'm trying to make it work for you guys, but my camera hates me. I don't know if it's the contrast of the white on my skin tone, but I feel like I keep going orange. Anyway, I did open up my little kit. I want to show it to you guys because I believe I have to do some steps before we can actually apply it. So they give you 2 liners, which is like the adhesive but not, we shall see. So you get a black one and a transparent, so if you don't want to have like eyeliner that day, you don't have to have eyeliner because they give you transparent. And then you have 5 lashes, and they are different. I would say they are different sizes. Like this is really long and wispy, and this is like the exact same look. It's just a little less dramatic. So they do give you 5 different lashes though, and then you do get tweezers. The reason that I wanted to show you again is just so you can see what it looks like. So in the back of the box, the little sticker online, it says you have to shake it, and then you're supposed to push this till it clicks. So that was the clicking noise. And now I'm supposed to wait. So basically this is gonna fill up here, and then you can start using it. Again, it says, I believe it's 8 to 15 minutes, or 10 to 15 minutes. Online says 8 to 15. So I'm just gonna kind of let this sit here. As you can see, it's white, and then I'll show you once it's ready to go. Okay guys, so I'm back. So just because there was like 3 different times, I went like with, you know, a middle spot, and I did 8 minutes. So it's been 8 minutes. I have to be honest, I was holding this upside down for a little bit, and the tip saturated pretty fast. So maybe they just tell you 15 minutes in case of something. I do know that I think online the website says that the transparent one takes a little bit longer. So I don't know. I don't really know the details, obviously, first time I'm using it. But I waited 8 minutes. The tip was completely saturated probably at like the 3-minute mark. So I feel like we should be good to go. So I'm just supposed to apply this like regular liner, or just like where I want the lash to be. And then I'm supposed to let it dry completely and then put on the lashes. I did do like a little tiny tester. It is a little small, so I don't really feel much. I don't know how this is supposed to stick. I'm so confused. And the lashes, I mean, it doesn't look like they have any magnets. So let's apply this, and then we'll take a closer look at the lash just to make sure. I'm gonna start off with this side here. I will say this definitely doesn't glide as nicely as I would like. Like, I feel like on your hand, you can kind of go like super thin, or you can go thicker. But on your eye, I don't know if it's just the skin, I don't feel like it glides as easily. Okay, so I got that on. I got it on pretty evenly. It's saying to let it dry and then put the lashes on. So clearly, while that dries, I'll just do this side. I do like that not a lot got on my lashes. I struggle with the lashes and the lash glue because my lashes get in the way. Then everything gets sticky, the lash is sticking to my lash, it just turns into a mess. So I do appreciate that. Okay guys, so I'm still waiting for that to dry, but I did put that mark here, and I do just want to let you guys know that it is a little sticky. So clearly it is like mixed with some kind of adhesive, but it is supposed to be waterproof, so let's spray it and see if it comes off. Nothing. So your eyeliner shouldn't budge. Okay y'all, so I feel like that is good enough, like the drying time for this eye. So I'm gonna go with the top lashes, which are the most, I don't know, dramatic, I guess you could say. So the lash itself doesn't have magnets, but it does have like a little sticky layer. These are reusable. If I can find how many times you can reuse them, I'll let you know here on the screen somewhere. Maybe it just depends on everybody and how you take care of your lash. I'm not sure. So we're gonna come in here. I'm not using the tweezers. And I'm gonna apply these. Okay, now I'm gonna use the tweezer. I got stuck to my my tweezer. Y'all, that is on there on this end. It's like really on there. Oh my god. Like, it was almost like you could feel it just gripping. I put this a little too low, I think, and it's poking my eye. So hopefully it doesn't come off. But what is this magic? Look at the lashes just not coming off. Oh my god. Okay, we have to put the other lash. If I need to reposition it, I'll show you guys, but I think I'm going to. It is poking me just a little bit. Okay, so this one's a little more stuck to the container than the other one was. So it's weird. It's not like, I don't want it to sound like, oh my god, it's gripping. But have you guys used the Milk, like the Hydro Grip Primer? If you guys apply it, it leaves almost like a sticky layer, and the feeling that you get when your like hands can stick, that's kind of how the feeling is when you put it on. Like, it's gripping, but it's not like making it stick or like to the point where you can feel it like tight or anything like that. But look at it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Why am I so impressed? I don't know. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm gonna reposition it. I'm gonna take off the whole lash. Just like that. Some of the eyeliner came off, but not a lot. So let me reapply, I'll let it dry, and then we'll see if it sticks the same the second time around. Okay, you guys, so that's completely dry, should be completely dry. I'm going in, same lash, and let's see what happens this time. You guys, it's just as stuck on here as it was the first time. It's magic. It really is. Like, I'm super shocked, and I don't know how to describe it. It just feels like it's gripping on, almost like it's magnetic, but it's not. But also, like, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. You guys need to try it. If you try it, let me know your thoughts and how it works for you. And I'm gonna leave these on for a little while, and I'll leave you down in the description like any updates or anything like that, just to see how they wear for a few hours. I don't think I'll be able to have my makeup on all day, but I'll hang in there as long as I can. So I'm just gonna come in here and do a little something on the bottom waterline. I'm not trying to go too dramatic. I just want to have just a little tiny bit of warmth. That's it. So I'm gonna go into Told You So, B, and then to lighten it back up a little bit, my whole heart. And I don't want to do anything again super dramatic. Just coming down here and adding a little something. Lastly, I'm just gonna come in here and we're gonna do the lip, and we're gonna do it nice and dark. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Bull Chick, which is black, and then I have the Lunar Beauty Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Wicked, and it is also black. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do a black lip for so long. Like, oh, how pretty is that? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so I have my lips nice and lined, and now we're just gonna go in to the Lunar Beauty Wicked shade. Oh, you guys. I love this so much. Okay. that is the completed look. I hope that you guys loved it as much as I do. Like, I want to walk around all month long just like this. I'm obsessed. I didn't bedazzle or anything. I just wanted to take it here today. Like, yes, I like it. As for the lashes, like, so far so good. My eyes got a little watery and nothing came off or anything like that. So we shall see how it lasts within these next few hours. Again, check the description for that. And I just want to thank you guys for being here today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!